So now we are nearing the end of this chapter and we want to look at an application of number theory as applicable to cryptography. So we learn a very simple approach of encrypting the message. This approach is not very robust and can be decoded very easily, but this is a good starting point. So the idea is that we want to send a message and we want to encode it so that it cannot be easily understood. So a straightforward way which people have been using since thousands of years is to transform your letters that we are sending. So first we convert the message to the capital letters. Hopefully that does not cause a loss of information. And then we transform each letter by considering it as a numerical number, and we transform it using a modular function which is invertible as well, so that we can come back and apply the reverse transformation. And then once we are able to convert these numbers, these letters into these numbers, then we can convert back to the letters. This is most easily understood by considering an example. So in the next slide, let us consider an example. So we express here all the letters from the English alphabet, and we're considering only capital letters here, by numbers from 1 to 26. So A is mapped to 1 and B represents 2 and C represents 3 and so on. The last letter Z represents 26. So we keep this table with us, which helps us in converting the letters to the numbers and numbers to the letters. Okay. So as an example here, we consider this modular arithmetic function as the transforming function for encryption. Okay. So how does this work? For example, if we have the letter S in our message, then this represents the number 19. And by using this function, we can compute the result of this modular transformation, and we see that the letter S, which represents the numerical value 19, is converted to the number 14, which represents the letter N. So the letter S is mapped to N. And similarly, we can map the other letters. For example, if we have this message to send, stop thief, we can follow the below process to encrypt it.